Crude oil once again traded very much in the range, failed to break below 75, and yes, it did not sustain 75 levels either, but yes, now trading very close to 75. So can we expect a rise from here? And if you look at net gas, see, beautifully I had told it below 2.28 only, you should take a sell, and precisely it has recovered from 2.28, and what a good recovery we can see here. It has almost now come close to 2.36. It has already achieved 2.38 levels. I hope you all profited. Now, which position you should take trading crude oil and net gas today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the first update. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. And yes, joining my free Telegram channel definitely keeps you updated with the live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into crude, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now, look at the hourly charts of crude here. See the movement there, the drop, retracement, drop, and now trying to retrace. The top of this channel is far above at 76, and the bottom of this channel is still 73 levels. You should watch out for that. Now let's have a look at the near term hourly charts. Now if you look at the hourly charts, see certainly right now if you look at, if it has breached in the previous candle the consolidation zone, so also 75 is a good resistance. You can buy at 75 and then wait for it to break past 75.5 levels, 75.4 levels. Now if these two are taken, certainly we are going to look at 75.8, 76, the next strongest resistance zone. You have to be careful. And then 77 levels, remember 77, this is back to the reversal zone, and this is also possible here. So once it stays above 75, more bullishness is going to be seen today. Now at the same time, any sell entry I will recommend is only below, you can see this, let me show, below 74, multiple candles getting the support at 74, and hence this is the only level below which you should take a sell entry. Now stochastic flat near to the top, the MACD is divergent and bullish. It is crossed over earlier, it is looking upwards, and this crossover has happened at a bottom, I told you, but see, we have seen a very modest rise till now. RSI is also looking upwards, showing a little strength. And if you look at 2-hour charts, now look at 2-hour charts, see certainly it is trying to give a breakout. Just let it stay about 75, and possibly we are going to look at 75.4, 75.5 levels, and beyond that it's in fact 76.5, 77 cannot be denied here. Stochastic at top, MACD has crossed over at a bottom and it is trading with divergence. It is looking bullish, it is looking upwards, and see, if you look at the waves here, you'll find this is almost the flat bottom, and possibly this is going to bring bullishness here. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Now likewise look at 3-hour charts, consolidation, wait for a breakout. Second green candle means more bullishness. 75.5, 76.5, 77 levels cannot be denied here, very much achievable. Stochastic at top, MACD has crossed over at a bottom and it is trading with little divergence, trading with little bullishness. It is looking upwards, can bring bullishness here. RSI has come out of the oversold zone here. And if you look at 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour chart, first of all, the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages are now trading with a divergence. All three have crossed over. Now definitely 75.8, 76 the first resistance, and then 77. Only and only if you see oil trading above 77, you can consider this as a bullish move, and then it is beyond that we may see it flying high. Stochastic looking up, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. It is at bottom. RSI again was oversold, now trying to look upwards and show up a little strength here. Now look at the daily charts. See, most importantly, certainly oil has after long breached past this bearish channel, now again back into the channel. Next is it has opened a gap up here a long time back, and now it has filled the gap which was pending since last couple of more weeks. Now see what it has done. Also, if you look at the candle here, double bottom, and it is trying to rise. Possibly the next candle when it starts, it may try to pull it further up, and hence beyond 75 definitely one can stay long. The stochastic at bottom here, the MACD is still divergent and bearish. At this point I warned you that possibly it is looking downwards. In my weekly analysis I told you very clearly, and daily analysis also. See, this crossover is happening at a very high levels, hence it can stretch it for the drop there. Now Again, below 74, we have to be watchful. It is going to give it a very, very strong drop there. And that is why I say sell at 73.8 levels, below which it definitely we may see it dropping strongly. So for the day, you can sell at 73.8 and buy at 75, possibly above 75 till 75.5, the first resistance, then 73 till 77. Why not put a half dollar trailing stop loss or 50 cents trailing stop loss? Keep booking profits, keep re-entering. That is how you can profit. So take your trades accordingly till 77. 77 is a very, very good resistance, and beyond that, it should be considered for a reversal. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should be part of my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at NatGas's hourly chart here. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. See, certainly the bottom there at 2.28, and since then it has seen a good rise, now giving you lower highs, higher lows. So I will recommend you to sell at 2.34, but then below that 2.32 levels, 2.33, 2.32, very, very good support. And then below that it is going to drop again for 2.3, 2.28. Till 2.28, do not consider this as bearish. Now on the hourly charts also, if you look at, first of all, see, let me show you here. Lower highs are seen here, lower lows or almost flat bottom are seen here. This is trying to squeeze. So any move beyond 2.4 today certainly is a bullish sign, and it is going to fly high above 2.4 level. So wait for it to break past 2.4 on the upside. Now look at the stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is almost flat. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts here, you will find it bottom there, retracement. Now almost consolidating here, waiting for a breakout, and hence below 2.34 and 32, yes, you can sell there, but then see, be cautious or be watchful of 2.32 levels. Very, very good support there. And on the upside, you can expect a rise beyond 2.4, where definitely we are going to look at 2.45 levels. Stochastic has dropped. It was the top there. The MACD has crossed over at bottom, trading with little divergence. See the greener candles, but see the candle sizes started diminishing. But remember, this is still a retracement, and hence a breakout is awaited on the 2-hour charts. RSI almost flat. And if you look at 3-hour charts, now see, likewise on the 3-hour charts, wait for a breakout on the upside or downside, and one can take the positions. Right now, it is getting the support from the 20 period moving average, lower highs, higher lows, 2.38, 2.4, very, very good resistance zone. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD on the other hand has crossed over at bottom, trading with little divergence, trading green here. RSI is almost trading flat. And if you look at 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour charts, lower highs, and this is the first red candle. The second red candle can take it till towards 2.34, 2.32 levels, but then till 2.28, I will not consider this as bearish. It is just trying to squeeze it out. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is on the verge of a bullish cross. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is again trading flat with a slight bearish bias. And look at the daily chart. Now see, the next candle on this chart is yet to start. It is trading above 20 period moving average, double bottom there. And remember, once, even if you see it trading above 2.38, you can buy, but then 2.4 specifically, if it breaks past by, you can expect that we are going to look at 2.45 and plus levels in net gas. In fact, we can see it hitting 2.5 again. So most importantly, remember, second green candle on the upside is awaited here. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green but trading with very little divergence. The RSI is flat. For the day, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.34 and buy at 2.38. But remember, 2 points to observe. 2.34, if you are selling, you have to be extremely cautious on the downside. 2.32 levels, very good support, and then 2.3, 2.28 till 2.28, just 2 cents trailing stop loss, and below 2.28 it is going to drop strongly. So this is one part. Till 2.28, I will not consider this as bearish. When I say I will not consider this as bearish, means it is still bullish. Means there is a probability of a rise. Means you can try to find opportunities of buying till 2.28. On the upside, beyond 2.4, 2.38, yes, 2.4 is something you should watch. and beyond 2.4 it is going to fly high for 2.45, 2.5 levels. Remember this fact. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. The next video will be released before the US session. Was that also. Let's have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.